You've heard the stories, the money pit, the endless mechanic bills, the worry that you just bought a total lemon. You just want one thing, peace of mind. But what if you could spend less than $10,000 and get a car that genuinely never lets you down? A vehicle so reliable, all you need is oil and gas. We're talking about the ultimate buy it once and forget it legends. We've analyzed reports from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, cross-referenced with thousands of owner reviews to find the 5 forgotten heroes that deliver legendary reliability. We're looking at which of these cars will truly hit 300,000 miles and why one of them gives you premium comfort with the lowest possible repair costs. Get ready to feel smart about your next purchase. This first legend is for anyone who wants to conquer the fear of expensive maintenance. The Hyundai Elantra from 2011 to 2014. When Hyundai launched this generation, they threw down the gauntlet to Toyota and Honda. They backed this compact sedan with a long, industry-leading warranty that signaled extreme confidence in its durability. That confidence translates directly into peace of mind for you today. The most reliable engine option is the standard 1.8-liter 4-cylinder paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination is known for delivering outstanding fuel economy, up to 38 miles per gallon highway. Now, for the numbers that matter, reliability. According to RepairPal, the Elantra has an impressive reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5. That puts it well above average for the compact segment. Even better for your wallet, the average annual repair cost is just $452, which is significantly cheaper than the industry average. This is the definition of simplicity and a smart buy. But no used car is perfect. The most commonly reported issues on this generation are minor, such as premature failure of the transmission speed sensors, which can cause shifting problems. Also, some owners report an issue with the rubber coupling in the steering column, often heard as a clunking sound. These are known issues, and they are usually inexpensive fixes, meaning you avoid the money pit nightmare. When you buy this Elantra, you are not just buying a car, you're buying a quiet, comfortable cabin, and the knowledge that you made a purchase that family and friends will respect because you chose value and longevity. Next up is the Volkswagen Golf, model years 2012 to 2016. This is the choice for the buyer who wants extreme reliability but refuses to compromise on how the car feels. This German hatchback is famous worldwide for its superior build quality, giving you a sense of European substance that makes you feel smart about your purchase. The specific reliability sweet spot here is the standard 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, often paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers power and great fuel efficiency without the complexities found in some other German luxury brands. According to RepairPal, the Golf has an above-average reliability rating of 4 out of 5, proving that German engineering can indeed deliver long-term peace of mind. Now, here is the important detail for those prioritizing budget. The Golf's annual repair cost averages around $630. While this is still considered average for the industry, it is a little higher than the ultra-cheap Korean and Japanese models. This means you should expect to spend a little more on parts, but what you get in return is a cabin that is quieter, materials that last longer, and a driving experience that feels far more premium than its $10,000 price tag suggests. As for known pitfalls, some owners have reported premature failure of the water pump and housing on these models, an issue that must be monitored. But overall, the Golf's transmission is generally robust, and its solid structure helps you avoid the flimsy car feeling of modern vehicles. This is a durable car built for the long haul. If your goal is year-round peace of mind, and you prioritize safety in bad weather, this car is a legend among its owners. The Subaru Impreza from 2010 to 2012. We're focusing here on the non-WRX standard models. The Impreza's entire reputation is built on its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. For drivers who frequently face snow, rain, or rough roads, this AWD system is the ultimate companion, translating directly into the feeling of tradition and security that this audience values. This generation uses the renowned 2.5-liter Boxer engine for the 2010 to 2011 models, or the newer 2.0-liter engine, starting in 2012, often paired with a sturdy 4-speed automatic or the 5-speed manual transmission. Owners report that with routine maintenance, these cars can easily cruise past 200,000 miles, and stories of models reaching $300,000 are common. Now for the disclaimer. While the Impreza is adored by its loyal fan base, keep in mind that its average annual repair cost is around $514, which is higher than the average compact car. This is often the cost of admission for that complex all-wheel drive hardware. It's an investment in simplicity of use and ruggedness, not necessarily the lowest cost of maintenance. The key thing to watch for in the older Boxer engines, especially the 2.5-liter in 2010 and 2011, are the early signs of head gasket issues and oil consumption, which is a known Subaru quirk. However, many mechanical issues on these cars are well documented and manageable by independent mechanics. If you want a reliable, practical car that your friends who love durability will respect, the Impreza is a genuine buy-it-for-life machine. Our fourth legend, the Buick Verano, model years 2012 and 2013, is the answer to the desire for premium comfort without the high price tag. For those who believe the best cars are built like tanks and offer a quiet, smooth ride, this is your hidden gem. The Verano delivers on the promise of American luxury. Owners consistently praise its whisper-quiet cabin and smooth ride quality. This model was so solid that the 2013 Verano earned J.D. Power's highest best rating for quality and reliability, achieving a remarkable 91 out of 100 score. That level of performance places it right alongside the best in the compact segment. The key to its reliability is the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter 4-cylinder Ecotec engine. This engine, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, is widely known for being robust and offering decent fuel economy. And for your wallet, the average annual repair cost for the Verano is very competitive, averaging around $478, which is lower than the average ownership costs for the segment. This fulfills the audience's desire to feel smart about buying luxury at a budget price. As for the things to check, on models from 2012 and 2013, watch out for high oil consumption on the 2.4-liter engine, a known issue that GM addressed with a special coverage bulletin. Also, some older models have reported minor cosmetic issues, such as paint fading or peeling. These are typically small issues compared to the core mechanical durability and low repair frequency that the Verano offers. We've looked at 4 incredible ways to get peace of mind for under $10,000, but there's one American legend left that simply refuses to die. If these smart buying guides are helping you avoid that money pit nightmare, hit the like button and subscribe right now. Don't leave yet. And tell me, what's the longest-lasting, most reliable car you've ever owned? Share your legendary mileage story below. Our final legend is for the buyer who values tradition and needs a big American machine built like a tank, one that truly lasts forever. The Chevrolet Tahoe, model years 2011 through 2013. This body-on-frame SUV represents the era when vehicles were made for work, not for the scrapyard. At the Tahoe's heart is the rugged 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine is a true GM icon, consistently known to carry owners well past 200,000 miles. The Tahoe of this generation was recognized by J.D. Power as the best large SUV in quality and dependability in both 2011 and 2013, offering maximum peace of mind in security and longevity. The average annual repair cost for the Tahoe is around $623, which is excellent for the size and capability of this SUV. However, Here is the secret the smart buyer needs to know. The legendary 5.3-liter V8 uses active fuel management, and on some models, this can lead to slightly elevated oil consumption. To keep this machine running strong, the secret is simple. Check your oil level every time you fill up your gas tank and consider electronically disabling the AFM system. Additionally, pay attention to manageable issues like fuel pump failures or cosmetic dash cracks. If you know how to manage these V8 quirks, you will own a vehicle that family and friends will respect for its unquestionable durability. And that completes our list of 5 never-worry cars that deliver true peace of mind for under $10,000. The smartest buyers know you don't need a massive budget to get a reliable vehicle. You just need the right knowledge to choose durability and tradition over chasing temporary trends. If this guide helped you feel smart about your next purchase and ready to avoid the money pit, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reliability guides. Now tell us in the comments, which one of these long-lasting legends did you decide is the best buy?